Hi, this is Henry Smith from IamWealthyandRich.com. Thanks for joining me in today's update. What I do is I update cryptocurrency investment portfolio the figures on a daily basis. So it's a portfolio I started, I believe, summer last year in 2020, and here we are in. I didn't start documenting it though until February 2021. So I didn't start documenting and video on the documentation until this year. I thought it'd be good for future case studies and also for analysis purposes. So, but before I continue, so make sure you also watch this to the end. I always talk about a couple of things after the update. Make sure you understand the disclaimer. Obviously, I'm not a financial planner or an advisor. So this is not financial advice. I'm not an accountant or CPA. So do your own due diligence, your own research. Also understand that risks, with all investments or trading, there are always risks associated with that. So don't invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, I'm going to share my screen and update today's figures. So what we have here is we've got 3 columns in this sheet, the spreadsheet. 3 columns: altcoin, Bitcoin, and totals. The green and red is when it moves forward on a previous day. So every time it moves forward on the previous day, we color that in green. When it moves backward, we color that in green and red. So forward green, backwards red, and as you can see, there's lots of greens and reds as the market ebbs to and flows. So yesterday was, we had went forward in the altcoins, slightly backward in the Bitcoin, forward overall in the portfolio. So today is the 6th of August. And I get the figures from this page. Comes in from a live feed down here, as you can see, the live feed tab, into an asset group, and then the total figures are put up here on this page. And this portfolio consists of 1 Bitcoin and an assortment of specially selected alternative coins apart from Bitcoin, known as altcoins. And this is the total up here. So this is the US equivalent. And this is in the middle, the same portfolio, just in pounds sterling or GBP, Great British pounds. So, and also the division is 76 to 24%. The majority of my investments are in the altcoins, and there's a reason for that. And I'll explain that a little bit later. So let's take this figure here, 129,997.08. Let's do time. I forgot it now. Was it 129,997 point? Is it 78? Oh wait, 997. Yeah, this figure's right. 977, I think it was. 977.08. That's what it was. Let me double check. And this updates every 10 or so minutes. Yeah, that's correct. And then let's just bring this down. So this is 1,000 higher than yesterday, so that can stay green. And the total figure is 178,916. 178,916. 178,999.116. Sure that's correct. 16 is correct. And that is also higher than yesterday. So overall, an increase in the portfolio by 3,663. And Bitcoin has gone up also. That can go into the green. So that is it went up by $1,967. So that's good. So good. Whether it goes up or down, it doesn't really matter at this stage to me. But I expect it to go up and down. So, well, it's all good. It's all good. Looking at Bitcoin today, I was looking at Bitcoin today. It's set that. Yeah, it's around the 41,000. Here we've got 41,610. So you know, we have a high today of $41,770, and it could go back up to the very early 40s or 42 before it decides to come down again. But that's all, you know, it's all good. You know, Bitcoin is when we look at where it's come from, its all-time high up here, and you know, it will, the all-time high of 64,900 something, and it's, you know, gone into what we call a bear market. And I've made videos before talking about why Bitcoin has gone down, and the market, the facts in the charts that say why it goes down and why it will stay down. So it will probably range a bit in this kind of area for a while before it goes down further. A lot of people don't want to see it go down. There's a lot of people talking about it could go down. Most information supports the fact that it will go down. There's a couple of things that, there's probably only one or two things that maybe show that it could possibly go up. But there's very slim chance of it going up. There's more chance of it going down before it goes up. You know, going into into the Gaussian channel, into the Gaussian channel, and touching it, it's going to get sucked down into this tunnel again, just like it did get sucked down into the tunnel. Just because it hit it and escaped, it will get sucked down into it again and stay there, usually for a year. That's what it's most likely in for Bitcoin right now. But you never know. This is all statistics and probabilities. It could turn around and surprise us. But no matter what it's going to do, it is going to reach its all-time high, but most probably in the 2022, I would say maybe basically a year from now, when it reaches new heights, new massive heights. I mean, I think it would probably hit all-time high when it comes out of the tunnel, and then go to the ultimate of the cycle. But we shall see. So, but like I said, website here, IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. Scroll down and fill in the short form. Get your 3 millionaire mindset and investment strategy now. And once you get started on the practices shown into this free course, right, then you can send us an email, and only after you've got started. If you haven't got started, once you get this free course, don't send us an email, and we get you on one of our free webinars to find out more about the altcoins, and you know, why invest more money in that as opposed to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's great, but you know, that's where the money is. So get yourself to this website here, IamWealthyandRich.com, get your free information, and then send us an email, and we'll get you scheduled for a webinar. Let's see, that's really all for now. Basically, I want to say, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and so on this channel. And also, I want to thank you very much for your time. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.